Hey there, I'm Seb, and today I'll be sharing 8 key steps to help you create a brilliant CV that'll impress employers even if you're just starting out. Stick with me until the end of this video and I'll send you off with a free CV template that you can start using right away. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Find the ideal job for you and learn more about it. First things first, you need to decide what kind of job you want. If you're looking for a part-time or casual gig, there are plenty of flexible options out there, like working as a retail assistant or a barista. If you have no idea where to begin, think about what you enjoy doing the most or what you're good at. Once you have an idea, do a bit of Googling by researching jobs that match your skills or interests. For example, if you love being around people, then tutoring or working in customer service might suit you. Or if you're more active and outdoorsy, consider working as a dog walker or a youth sports coach. To find opportunities, check out websites like Indeed or Total Jobs. Take a stroll around your local area to see if any shops, cafes, or leisure centers are hiring, or ask your family and friends to keep an eye out for opportunities. Try to apply for jobs that don't require too much experience but push you out of your comfort zone so you can learn something new. As you're looking for jobs, read the job descriptions carefully because they'll give you an idea of what the employers are looking for, describe the skills and experience you need to have, and help you personalize your CV to the specific job you're applying for. By finding out early on what employers want and what you can offer, you'll save yourself a lot of time writing your CV. And you'll thank yourself later. Step 2. Get to know the structure of a CV. Before you start writing your CV, it's important to understand what makes one great. There are several important sections that go on a CV. The CV header, personal statement, education section, relevant experience, key skills, and your hobbies and interests. A typical CV in the UK is around 2 pages, but if you don't have much experience yet, 1 page is perfectly fine. Step 3. Make a great first impression with your header. The header is the first thing employers need to see, so it needs to be professional and contain the right information. Your header should include the following details. First and last name in a bigger and bolder font, 30-point normally works. Professional email address, so not harrystylesforever@gmail.com. A phone number, a city or location, and your LinkedIn or your portfolio. Step 4. Write an attention-grabbing personal statement. It's time for a professional self-introduction. With job applications, your personal statement is kind of like a mini biography that sums up your personality and what you want to achieve. It should be brief and to the point, ideally 2 to 4 sentences. Highlight your education, key skills, and career goals. Include the company name and role you're applying for, so it shows you're keen to work there and have written your CV specifically for that role. Step 5. Emphasize your education and academic achievements. Start by listing your highest level of education. Then add your school and uni details, including the name of the school, the location, and the dates you attended. If you have any relevant coursework, academic projects, or extracurricular activities that relate to the job you're applying for, include them in the education section as well. This information will give potential employers a better idea of your academic background. By the way, if you've got a university degree, A-levels, or a level 4 or higher NVQ, you don't need to put your GCSEs on your CV because it's already implied that you've passed them. Step 6. Showcase your relevant experience. No worries if you feel nervous because you don't know what to put here. Think about the things that you've done that describe your work ethic and personality. This could be anything from volunteering to leading a student club. As you're writing about your experience, use hard numbers and action verbs to make it stand out. For example, instead of just saying volunteered at a local animal shelter, try saying dedicated 3 hours a week to walking and caring for shelter dogs. Step 7. Highlight your hard and soft skills. Did you join a club, learn a musical instrument, or teach yourself something new? These are all fantastic ways to highlight your hard and soft skills. Hard skills are specific abilities you've learned, like using Microsoft Word, speaking a second language, or even creating viral content on TikTok. Soft skills, on the other hand, are personal qualities that you develop throughout your life, such as strong communication skills from speaking in class presentations, or self-discipline from taking martial arts classes. Step 8. Add a hobbies and interests section. We're almost done. Finish by adding a brief hobbies and interests section to your CV so potential employers can learn more about you as a person. Now, when I say hobbies and interests, I don't mean anything you do in your free time. While binge watching Netflix might be your favorite thing to do, it's not going to wow employers. Instead, focus on hobbies and interests that show off your positive qualities, like people skills, leadership, or empathy. For example, if you're a member of a sports team, mention that in your hobbies and interests section to show you're a team player and you work well with others. Or if you enjoy art or music, listing these interests on your CV will highlight your creative side. And that's it. I hope you feel more confident moving into your job search. As promised, we have a free template to give you a head start on your job application. Check out the link in the description to download it now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.